This time on the Highland Woodworker.
So my goal was to have it as loud as I could get it, and it is about 3 times louder than a normal music box.
From music boxes to intricate furniture design, even to life-size hand-carved statues, Master Woodworker Dennis Zonker does it all. We'll take you to his impressive Nebraska workshop and get a first-hand look at his work and his order of operations for making these one-of-a-kind heirloom pieces. Plus, Popular Woodworking Magazine has some mighty good tips for you. Ha! These stories and more this time on the Highland Woodworker.